Do you want to know what's working right now for other elder law and estate planning attorneys that are doing workshops and webinars throughout the United States? Well, let me tell you. Hi, it's Jim from Bambiz, and I just wanted to let you know what we've been seeing, what's working, what's not working, and what we think you should do in order to get the best results, help as many families, and obviously keep your businesses moving strong in the current environment. Well, if you're doing workshops in person and you have the ability to do them and you're comfortable doing them, then we would recommend doing them because the people that are attending these live in-person events right now are action takers. You might see, depending on the news and what's going on, a lot of registrations and some of those people cancel. But the ones that actually do take the time to show up to your live in-person event right now are ready to make things happen. So it's worth it. Our clients that are doing them and hosting them regularly are very happy with the people that do actually end up showing up. So the numbers might be lower, but the quality of people that are attending seem to be higher. So that's great news there. If you want to keep doing webinars, that's great as well. The issue has been follow-up. If you get people in a room and you can talk to them face to face, that's pretty easy for most of our clients and the attorneys that we talk to make that next process very seamless, right? They go right into that consultation. You're able to help them out. With a webinar, people are watching the video. They may watch part of it. Their dogs might be barking. They log off of the webinar, and then what happens? You need to have a very clear follow-up process in place at your office that takes place over around 7 to 14 days and uses a combination of phone calls, emails, and text messages until you clearly get an answer from that person that they're either interested or they don't want you to contact them anymore. Also, make sure that these people are on some sort of email distribution list so that your firm continues to stay top of mind with them at all times until they unsubscribe from that, or hopefully reach out to you, set up a consultation, and start moving forward. They don't just sign up for a webinar for estate planning or elder law if they're not interested or have a reason to attend such an event. So keep that in mind. Also, if you are doing live in-person events and you want your registration numbers and your opportunities to be as high as they possibly can be, we would also recommend potentially offering a live stream option. This is easy. It's not very difficult at all. You can just have a Zoom option or a link that you can share with the people that are interested in attending via live stream. And then you have somebody in your office use the camera on there and stream your live in-person event and monitor the chat box. This is a great option for people that maybe they signed up ready to go to your event, and then depending on what happened with the news, they don't really feel comfortable leaving the house again, but they still want the information. You can provide them with that live stream Zoom link. So that way you can get the people that want to show up, which are going to be a little higher quality of a lead. And then you have the people that are going to attend virtually that you're going to follow up with your 7 to 14 day follow-up process so that you can get the most return out of each one of your events. So if you're doing these like Tuesdays at 6 p.m. or Thursdays at noon, you would just have those options be live in person or virtual. So a combination of those things. Keep doing live events if you can do them, you feel comfortable doing them, do them because that's where you're going to get the most return. Secondly, if you feel comfortable doing them and you want to offer another option, offer that live stream option. And then finally, if you're going to keep doing webinars, that's the way you want to go until things change. Have a very clear 7 to 14 day follow-up process, including phone calls, emails, and text messages, and then keep all of those leads on an email that at least goes out once a week to keep your firm top of mind. If you're utilizing those options, you're going to see the best return as we can come out of this and then hopefully get back to the way things were before. I'm Jim Blake from Bambiz, and we'll talk soon. Thanks.